Hey everyone, how's it going? This is your man Teja Singh right here. So in this video guys, I will be showing you guys how to resolve the YouTube app not working on Sony Blu-ray systems. So without any further ado guys, let us jump right into it. So basically guys, what is the problem is that when you open up YouTube app on your Sony Blu-ray system, you're just seeing this YouTube logo and nothing is happening afterwards. You're not going into the feed or you're not seeing any kind of videos whatsoever like this. So basically guys, in order to resolve this problem, what you need to do is just go back into the setup menu and go into the resetting options, and in here what you need to do is just select the second initialize personal information option and you need to agree to this. Okay, and it will take a couple of seconds like this. And now when it's done, what you need to do is just go back, press home and go back into the video section and select internet video again. And what it will do, it will do the fresh kind of install for your video streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix. And what you need to do is just hit agree, and next it will connect to the internet services, so make sure you have connected to the Wi-Fi. So it will acquire the internet content again like this. Again it will take a couple of seconds like this. Hit close, and now as you can see your content is ready. So now you can stream YouTube, Netflix and any other video streaming app which was not working previously, and you will be having no problem whatsoever. So let me just show it to you. So guys, I personally experienced this problem a couple of days back, so I found this solution and that is why I'm making this video. So guys, I hope that it will be really helpful to you as well, because a lot of people are in problem with this issue. So guys, as you can see, once you have done this, it will prompt you for sign in for best YouTube experience, but I will not be signing in as of now. So it will only happen for the first time when you do this option. So as you can see, you can stream your videos as normally as you were doing previously. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will be catching you in the next video guys. Till then, take care.